Isa-isa yung box nila, guys. Bigyan niyo ako RM, Jungkook, Jin, Takashoga. Please! Sino to? Ah! Girly the girl, si Jimin! Bro, not bad. Cute niya, no? Amar soda. Soda pa! May soda pa. Bibili talaga ako ulit. Totoo lang. I think. Sino to? Hala, Black? Ah! Sino to? Oh my God! Oh my God! Nakuha natin si Jungkook! Oh my God! Hello, amigos! In today's video, we're going to unbox a product from McDonald's! No further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So guys, now we have a new set of toys from McDonald's. It was released back September 26, yesterday, and it's a throwback BTS. Ayan siya. So ito guys is 7 toys to be collected. We have RM, Jin, Soga, J-Hope, Jimin, and Jungkook. Ayan sila guys. On October 17, maglalabas sila ng another set of toys which is ito. Sila din naman but in a different design. So this unboxing is not a normal unboxing but again, it's a blind box unboxing. So medyo mahirap for me and a very sad at the same time kasi 50% chances na makuha mo sila or 50% chances na hindi mo sila makuha. 50% nga ba? Or more than or less than? Hindi ko alam. But ito guys, our new Happy Meal, it's called Tiny Tan by BTS. Ayan siya. Source of reflection, ha? Ayan siya guys. Pag pumunta kayo ng McDonald's guys, they never give you a chance to look at it or even hold it talaga. Pag bumili ka ng McDonald's Happy Meal, ito na yung ibibigay nila sa'yo. They will grab a box and then put it here and then give it to you. Hindi pwede na papipiliin ka ng marami dito. Then, isi-check mo, igagalawin ng ganun. Walang ganon. Ewan ko nga ba dito sa McDonald's Rojas, ba't ganon yung ginawa nila? Kasi nakalagay dito guys, sa McDonald's na post is, you can gently shake or weight your box before choosing because we understand that every fan deserve a fighting chance at pulling non-duplicates. But remember, no opening, shake, feel, or wait. Please keep it fun, fair, and full of surprises to everyone. So yun naman natin no-open na. Parang like you can, siguro yung ano nila is ilalagay lahat dyan, tapos papapili ka ganon. Pero okay lang din naman yung ginawa ng McDonald's Rojas na ilalagay na lang kasi wala na naman silang choice. So nagiging blind box talaga siya. So sorry guys, I'm not a fan of blind box. I just want my contents. All my contents is not about blind boxing, but all about giving you a hint, giving you the information, giving you the toys na if ever bibili kayo, ito makukuha nyo. So sadly, I'm not sure kung makukuha natin all the 7 of them. But I'm very excited to do the unboxing kasi blind box. But I'm not a fan. Yun lang. I'm not a fan. But let's get started. Isa-isa yung box nila, guys. So, here it is, guys. I just bought only the 7 for me to have a lock to get all 7. I'm not sure if makukuha natin talaga sila lahat. Kasi yung last unboxing natin with the Minecraft, yung goal ko lang kasi doon is to give you a full experience of having all the complete set of the toys. But this time, iba. But guys, I hope I'm very excited to unbox and this is my first time to have a BTS collection. Ba't kasi blind box? Or I need to give you my emotion kasi I'm not a fan but ginawa nilang labubo to. Hindi naman ako naglalabubo. Kaya nga nagpa-McDonald's tayo. Nagko-collect tayo ng mga toys sa McDonald's for us to enjoy the toy itself. But grabe naman BTS. Ano ba? Charot. So ito na sila guys. So let's, and by the way, iset aside muna natin, iset dito. bumili ako ng ito for our unbox. Para maganda yung pag-unbox natin, ilalagay natin dito mga ganyan, di ba? Or dito natin ilalagay. O at least, elevated. Elevated na siya. So, set aside muna natin dito. So, randomize to, guys. So, gusto ko makuha si RM. Kasi meron akong RM na Funko Pop na color blue pa yung RM nga ba? Si RM. Oo, si RM. Gusto ko makuha si RM, si Soga, si Jean, tsaka si John Cook. Yun lang. Fan ako nila. So, here it is, guys. So, before we proceed with the unboxing, ito yung box natin. Ayan. So, you can scan the code here. Ayan. And then, there's the information of the item. And here, all the 7. Ayan sila. Ito sila. And here's the box. Happy Meal. Sino ba yung kukuha na? And then, eto na siya, guys. Bigyan niyo ako RM, Jungkook, Jin, Soga. Please! Sino to? Oh! Girly the girl, si Jimin. Bro, not bad. Cute niya, no? Amar soda. Soda pa! Soda pa. Ayan siya, guys. Sa loob ng box, meron tayong card. Card ni Jimin. Ayan. So, try natin ilagay dito. O, diba? V. O, ayan. O. Ay, wait. Ito gagawin natin. O. Diba? This cost, magkano to? 53 pesos sa Mr. DIY. Next, we have, huwag duplicate to, ewan ko na lang talaga. Ano to? It's Soga! Oh my God, Soga ba? Oh, Soga siya. Ayan siya, guys. It's Soga. Ito yung ano niya dito. Wala naman. Oh my gosh. Para talaga siya dito, guys. Binili ko talaga para dito. Okay, next we have hala, duplicate. Duplicate aga. Ay, girl, hindi duplicate, girl. It's RM. Oh my God, it's RM. Dito na siya. Yung ano color ng book niya. Color grayish. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Ang OA. Ba't soda pop yung nasa ulo ko? Ang mana soda pop. Yun talaga yung... It's RM. I can't believe. Hoy. Oh. Seryoso ba? Hello, pero 7 sila 3 out of 7. Ayoko ma-disappoint. Huwag niyo akong bigyan ng duplicate. Next we have... Hello, sino yun? Sino to? Blue! Sino to? Si J-Hope! Oh my God! 4 out of 7! 4, 5, 6. Tatlo na lang! Huwag niyo na ako bigyan ng duplicate, please. Please naman. I need Jean and Jungkook. I need talaga. Next we have... Oh my gosh. Bibili talaga ako ulit. Totoo lang. I think. Sino to? Hala, Black? Sino to? Oh my God! Oh my God! Nakuha natin si Jungkook! Oh my God! Jungkook is here! Ay. Ang OA! Oh my God, nandito siya, guys! Dito siya. Oh my gosh. Jungkook! Oh my God, dito siya. Halagagi. Nakalimutan ko yung card ni ni J-Hope. Wait. Halatang hindi fan talaga ni J-Hope, ha? Ikaw talaga, Will, ha? Halata, Wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo yung buhok ni RM. I'm a fan of blue hair. So, binili ko si RM talaga na Funko Pop. Ayan siya, guys. Flex ko lang yung Funko Pop ko kay RM. So, si RM kasi, ito na siya ngayon. Ayan siya. Diba? Yan lang. Share ko lang. 5 out of 7? Seryoso? 5 out of 7. I doubt. Ay, don't doubt. Don't doubt. Seryoso? Oy! Mahal ako ng manager ng McDonald's, Rojas. Joke. Wag na nga alam ang umasa. Next we have, last 2, guys. Last 2. Girl! Sino to? Bigyan niyo ako na kay V tsaka Jimin. V and Jimin. Ay, si Jimin yung una na. Si V kag si Jin. V at si Jin. Si Jin ba to? What? Wait! Wait! Si Jin! Uy, dali lang bala! Wala ko di ka-expect mo tuod-tuod. Oh my God mo. Ito si Jin. Ito si Jin. Hoy! Seryoso ba? Totoo? Hello? Wala ko duplicate? Hala, tuod-tuod. Wala ko kabalo. Tutuod, gid. Okay. We only have 1 left. Sorry sa lights ko, guys. Okay. So we own 6 out of 7. Take note, 6 out of 7. Kung makuha natin si V, victory talaga. Kung makuha natin si V, victory talaga tayo, guys. Totoo lang. Kasi, akala ko kasi pwedeng makita yung pwede ma-shake, bawal na ma-shake. Okay, I understand. So, umalis ako dun sa McDonald's na sad. So, bumalik ako kasi I decided na I need to collect everything for my content. And then, nag-drive-thru na lang ako. So, we have one last. It must be V para victory. Pero, I hope. Please go, please. Wait. The hair is, ano color ng hair? Girl, we have the duplicate. We have the Soga. Oh, not bad, 6 out of 7. Malaki yung boses, Will. Oh my gosh, we have V. Kulang tayo ng V. Ito si Soga. Soga is good. Sige, dito natin ilagay si Soga. Gusto ko tayo si RM yung duplicate, Guys, we have 6 out of 7. 90% luck. I can't believe. Nakuha ko yung gusto ko talaga. Except kay V. Wala tayong V. So, di ko siya favorite na. Kasi wala tayong V. So, we have Jimin, Soga, RM, J-Hope, Jungkook, Jin, and Soga again. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next unboxing. Adios, mimigos. Peace out. Bye!